Think your apartment is fancy because you've got exposed brick and a dishwasher? Cute. But New York City's ultra-luxury penthouses exist on an entirely different planet, one where backyard means a 6,000 square foot terrace in the clouds, and bathrooms outnumber bedrooms like rabbits. These sky palaces aren't just homes. They're private resorts, design museums, and billionaire bragging rights rolled into one. Here's a countdown of the top 10 most jaw-dropping penthouses in NYC, each more over the top than the last. Number 10, 1 Sutton Place South, $45 million. We kick things off with a penthouse that laughs in the face of your rooftop bar dreams. The crown jewel of 1 Sutton Place South offers 5,000 square feet of interiors, already larger than most suburban houses. But the real flex is outside, 6,000 square feet of wraparound terrace. That's basically your own private park in the sky. Throw a party for your entire block and still have room for a football game. Inside, the residence is split into 2 wings, one for everyday living, one for entertaining. Translation: you can Netflix in one wing and host a black tie soiree in the other without anyone stepping on each other's vibe. A private elevator whisks you up like a golden ticket to a chocolate factory, except instead of candy, you're greeted by a futuristic powder room decorated by artist Leo Villarreal. Think sci-fi art gallery meets luxury bathroom. This place isn't just size and sparkle, it has history. Former residents include socialites like Janet Annenberg Hooker and CZ Guest, so the walls could probably write a best-selling gossip memoir. And, of course, those sweeping views of the East River and Central Park seal the deal. Number 9, 995 Fifth Avenue, $50 million. Imagine Central Park as your backyard. 50 floors up? That's life at 995 Fifth Avenue, a 7,000 square foot penthouse where the outdoors matter as much as the indoors. 5. Wraparound terraces were designed by legendary landscape architect Madison Cox, so they're more than just balconies, they're private floating gardens. Inside, every bedroom has its own marble bathroom, no more fighting for mirror space, and the kitchen comes with a terrace vegetable garden for fresh pasta sauce on demand. Feel like grilling burgers while looking down on tiny humans below? There's a terrace grill too. And when you need pampering, the building provides white glove service, a full spa, and a fitness center that would make your local gym look like an after-school weight room. Living here is basically being on permanent 5-star vacation. Number 8, 35 Hudson Yards, $54.5 million. Take a palace, launch it into the clouds, and you've got the penthouse at 35 Hudson Yards. Sitting on the 90th floor, oxygen mask not included, this 10,171 square foot home features a great room alone that's larger than many NYC apartments. Seriously, you could host a gala and still have room for a dance floor. The views are cinematic. Statue of Liberty practically waves at you. Freedom Tower glistens nearby, and Central Park stretches like a green carpet. A dining room with a private terrace lets you eat like the King of New York while surveying your kingdom. Inside, it's marble mania. Counters, backsplash, probably the coasters too. The building adds luxury on steroids, a heated indoor lap pool, a cutting-edge gym, a full spa, and privacy glass that keeps prying eyes out while you soak up the skyline. Number 7, 53 West 53, $64.73 million. If you've ever wanted MoMA as your downstairs neighbor, welcome to 53 West 53. This 7,455 square foot duplex isn't just near the Museum of Modern Art. Residents get unlimited access. Bored on a Tuesday? Pop downstairs to admire a Picasso. The building itself, designed by Jean Nouvel, is a crystalline masterpiece, a futuristic spin on Art Deco that sparkles like a jewel above Midtown. Inside, you'll find Nero Saint Laurent marble bathrooms, a private elevator, and 360-degree city views stretching from the Hudson to the East River. Amenities? Naturally, a sophisticated library, a children's playroom, a private restaurant, and a fitness center that would shame any commercial gym. It's like living inside a work of art, with room service. Number 6. 111 West 57th Street, $66 million. Nicknamed the Steinway Tower, this architectural marvel is 1,428 feet tall, but impossibly slender, like someone stretched a skyscraper like taffy. At its summit sits a triplex penthouse, 3 sprawling floors with a massive private terrace bigger than most apartments. Views? Unreal. Central Park to the north, the Statue of Liberty to the south, and Manhattan glittering beneath your feet. Inside, Studio Sofield brought the glam with custom finishes so detailed, even the doorknobs probably cost more than a car. The amenities are just as wild. An 82-foot lap pool, sauna, treatment rooms, a fitness center, and a private dining room with a chef's catering kitchen. Basically, your building doubles as a luxury resort. Number 5. 432 Park Avenue, penthouse, $79 million. Once the tallest residential tower in the world, 432 Park Avenue is still a billionaire magnet. Its 82nd floor penthouse has 8,054 square feet of pristine luxury, with 5 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. Because heaven forbid anyone wait their turn. A jaw-dropping great room with corner views makes you feel like you're floating above the city. Designer touches include Fendi, Bentley, and Hermès furnishings, plus white oak herringbone floors. The building's perks are legendary: a residents-only restaurant, a fitness center with an on-staff celebrity trainer, a 75-foot pool with jacuzzi, and private spa treatment rooms. Fun fact, Saudi billionaire Fawaz Al-Hokair bought this penthouse for $87.7 million and never lived in it, because some people really do treat luxury real estate like monopoly. Number 4, the Woolworth Tower Pinnacle, $79 million. Want to design your dream palace from scratch? The Pinnacle at the Woolworth Tower is your blank canvas. 9,680 square feet across 5 stories atop the 1913 neo-Gothic landmark. You're literally living in history under that iconic green crown visible across Manhattan. The space is sold as a white box, meaning you can build anything: a full-floor movie theater, an art gallery, or a 360-degree glass bedroom. But you'll also get access to perks like a 50-foot pool, sauna, hot tub, fitness center, and wine tasting room. The catch? Renovating a historic landmark means respecting preservation rules. But hey, when your DIY project involves a $79 million penthouse, that's half the bragging rights. Number 3. 172 Madison Avenue, $98 million. If you've ever wanted to live in a space larger than some museums, behold the 18,816 square foot behemoth at 172 Madison Avenue. With 11 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms, you could host an entire wedding party and still have spare powder rooms. Outdoor space? 3,500 square feet of terraces, enough for a garden, a basketball court, and a 100-person bash with room left over for a DJ booth. Inside, it's another white box design, so you can create your fantasy. Maybe an indoor waterfall, a sneaker shrine, or an IMAX-level theater. The building spoils you with a full health club, pet spa, your dog gets massages now, and a kids' playroom. The only challenge, decorating nearly 19,000 square feet without losing your design sanity. Number 2, 432 Park Avenue, 96th floor, $169 million. Higher still at 432 Park Avenue, the 96th floor penthouse is 8,255 square feet of furnished perfection, dripping in Hermès, Fendi, and Bentley decor. 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and panoramic views so high up that privacy isn't an issue. You could walk around in your pajamas, or less, and no one would know. The building repeats its elite perks: private restaurant, spa, celebrity trainer, and Olympic-length pool. Saudi billionaire Fawaz Al-Hokair originally bought it for $87.7 million and is now trying to flip it for nearly double. For the ultra-rich, these aren't just homes. They're high-rise stock portfolios. Number 1. Central Park Tower Penthouse, $250 million. The world's most expensive home in the sky. Welcome to the crown jewel of NYC real estate, the Central Park Tower Penthouse, priced at a staggering $250 million. This triplex sprawls across the top 3 floors, with 17,545 square feet of living space, bigger than many suburban neighborhoods. There are 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and 3 kitchens, because clearly one isn't enough when your home is the size of a village. A 1,433 square foot terrace hangs in the clouds, perfect for a full-scale garden party or outdoor yoga retreat. Inside, expect onyx and white macaba stone bathrooms, custom cabinetry inspired by piano keys, and floor-to-ceiling windows with 50-mile views. There's even a private ballroom. Yes, you can literally host your own gala without leaving home. This isn't just a penthouse, it's an empire in the sky. The ultimate flex for anyone who wants to live above it all, quite literally. And that's a wrap on the craziest, most jaw-dropping penthouses in New York City. If you enjoyed this tour of billionaire dream homes, hit that like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and living large, even if it's just in your imagination for now.